Welcome to another iCube tutorial on F2L. In this video we'll continue learning how to solve F2L pairs, and this one will be part 2 where we learn how to solve the cases when white is facing up. So the last video was part 1 of F2L, which focused on the cases when white is on the side. So if you haven't learned those cases yet, make sure to check out that video first. The first case for this video will be when the corner and the edge are both in the top. So as you see, this is the green-red pair, which will go right here. The first thing you want to do whenever white is on the top is you want to pay attention to the edge. Then you want to look at the side color on that edge, which is green. And you will want to turn the top until it's matching the center on the side of the cube. Once you have the edge in this spot where the side color matches the center on the side of the cube, you're going to use this free slot that it goes in to protect the edge, just like we did on the last video. Then the next thing you'll do is move this corner until it's above that edge. Then you can restore the edge, and now this is a regular pair that you can insert like normal. The next case will be the same green-red pair, and this is for when there's a pair in the top and the corner and the edge are both touching each other. The first thing you want to do is use their free space to protect the corner, and then move the edge away from that corner. Then you restore the corner, and now this is the same case as the first one. And so what you do for this case is look at the color on the side of the edge. You want to turn the top until it's matching the center on the side of the cube. So this is the same case as before, but it's going to be inserted on the left side because you want where they're going to be in the front. So we're going to use the same theory as before, where you protect the edge using the free space. Then you move the corner until it's above that edge. Then you restore the edge, which pairs them up, and now you can just insert them like normal. The next case will be when white is in the top, but the edge is stuck in the second layer. What you want to do is turn the top until the corner is in the same face as that edge. And we're going to protect the corner, which will lift the edge into the top. Then move the edge out of the way and restore the corner. And now this is the same case as before. And so again, for that case, you would match the green, protect the edge, move the corner above it, restore the edge, and now you can insert this pair just like before. The next case is whenever you have an F2L pair where the edge is in the top and the corner is in the bottom layer. So this one's going to be the same idea as the last case. You want to put the edge in the same face as this corner, and you're going to protect the edge, which will lift the corner into the top. Then move the corner out of the way and then restore the edge. And now this is the same case from before. So how you would insert this pair is just like before, where you match up the side color on the edge to the center on the side of the cube, protect the edge, move the corner to where it's above it, restore it, and now you have the regular pair that you can insert like normal. The next case will be if you have an F2L pair stuck in the first two layers. And first I'm going to show what happens if you take them out and split them up and you have white in the top. If you're not familiar with the take out and split up moves or other moves that I've referenced, there is a video that I'll be linking later that will show a bunch of the common moves when you're solving F2L. So for this case, if you take them out and split them up, you'll get white on top, and then this would be just like before, where you match it on the side, protect the edge, move the corner above it, restore them, and then now you can insert them like normal. This next case is very similar, and if you were to take this pair out by taking them out and preserving them, now they're in the top layer with white in the top, but they're touching. So you would do the same thing that we talked about before, where you put this corner back here and use the free space to protect it, split them up, and then restore the corner. And now you have the same case as before. All these cases, just like on the other videos, can be done in the back slots. So for an example, if you had this case, you can protect the edge and bring the corner into the top, move it out of the way, then restore the edge. Now you would have this case, but in the back. So you would protect the edge, move the corner till it's above it, then restore them. Now this is just your regular pair, then you can insert in the back. If you want to see more examples where I insert F2L pairs in the back, or just go over different common moves, I made a F2L tips and tricks video that I referenced earlier, and I would suggest watching that if you would like to learn more of those things. This is the same case as before where you have a pair in the top, but they're connected and they're on the left side. All the examples we went through in this video, you can use the same theory to solve them in the left side, but I'll go ahead and do this example for this video. So what you would do is use the free space to protect the corner, move the edge away, and then restore the corner. And now this is the same case as before, where you would want to match the edge to the side of the cube, protect the edge, move the corner above it, restore them, and now you have your regular pair that you can insert like normal. If you want to see more examples where I insert F2L pairs on the left side, I would suggest watching that F2L tips and tricks video. So that is all for F2L part 2, where you learn how to solve F2L when white is facing up. So now you can solve all of F2L using the advanced method by using the theory that I taught in these last couple videos. And eventually over time, you won't even have to think of it. It will just come naturally to you, and it will be much faster than the beginner method. Once you get to that point where you're completely comfortable solving F2L, then I would suggest watching other channels' F2L videos or YouTube short videos of ways to solve specific cases. Because at that point, you'll have the knowledge of how to manipulate F2L intuitively, and so you'll know how you would solve that case. So you'd be able to watch what they do, and if it's different than what they do... Huh? What? If it's different than what they do? Why would it be different than what... Why would what they do be different than what they do? Okay. Because at that point, you'll have the knowledge of how to manipulate F2L, so you would know how you would solve this specific case. So you can watch them and see what they do, and if you like what they do more, you could just switch to that way. But a lot of times, you'll actually find that they solve it the exact same way that you do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next videos.